Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about a product that can help you improve your hearing and get rid of that annoying ringing in your ears. It's called Sonofit, and it's a natural ear drop formula that contains 8 essential oils. If you're interested in learning more about this product, keep watching and don't forget to click on the link in the description below to get a special discount. Sonofit is a natural hearing improvement formula made with 100% pure plant extracts. It helps ease the buzzing and ringing sound in your ears, clears the hearing and prevents this issue from reappearing later. Sonofit works by nourishing and repairing the cells of the inner ear, improving blood circulation, and reducing inflammation. It also protects the ear from infections, toxins and free radicals that can damage your hearing. Sonofit contains 8 essential oils in their purest and most potent forms. Each drop of the 100% cold-pressed oils supports hearing and eardrum recovery. Here are the ingredients and their benefits. Lavender oil. It has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties that can soothe and heal the ear canal. It also helps reduce stress and anxiety that can worsen tinnitus. Peppermint oil. It has a cooling and refreshing effect that can relieve pain and discomfort in the ear. It also stimulates blood flow and oxygen delivery to the ear tissues. Frankincense oil. It has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that can protect the ear from damage and aging. It also helps balance the hormones and neurotransmitters that affect hearing. Lemon balm oil. It has antiviral and antifungal properties that can prevent ear infections and fungus. It also helps calm the nerves and improve mood. Rosemary oil. It has anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties that can reduce swelling and pain in the ear. It also helps boost memory and cognitive function. Basil oil. It has antispasmodic and sedative properties that can relax the muscles and nerves in the ear. It also helps regulate blood pressure and blood sugar levels that can affect hearing. Oregano oil. It has antibacterial and antiseptic properties that can fight off ear infections and bacteria. It also helps strengthen the immune system and prevent allergies. Garlic oil. It has antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties that can kill ear mites and parasites. It also helps lower cholesterol and blood pressure that can impair hearing. Using Sonofit is very easy and convenient. All you need to do is apply 2 drops of Sonofit into each ear twice a day, preferably in the morning and evening. You can use a cotton swab or a dropper to do this. Then gently massage your earlobes for a few seconds to help the oil penetrate deeper into your ear canal. There are some precautions you should take when using Sonofit. Do not use Sonofit if you are allergic to any of its ingredients, or if you have a perforated eardrum or an active ear infection. Do not use Sonofit if you are pregnant or breastfeeding without consulting your doctor first. Do not use Sonofit if you are taking any medication or have any medical condition that may affect your hearing without consulting your doctor first. Do not use Sonofit if you are under 18 years old without parental supervision. Do not use Sonofit more than the recommended dosage, or for longer than 30 days, without consulting your doctor first. Sonofit has many advantages over other products that claim to improve your hearing or treat your tinnitus. Here are some of them. Sonofit is made with natural ingredients that are safe and effective for your ears. Unlike other products that may contain synthetic chemicals, preservatives, or additives that can harm your ears or cause side effects, Sonofit is easy and convenient to use. Unlike other products that may require you to use earplugs, headphones, devices or machines that can be uncomfortable or inconvenient, Sonofit is affordable and accessible. Unlike other products that may be expensive, hard to find or require a prescription or a doctor's visit, Sonofit is backed by scientific research and customer testimonials. unlike other products that may have no evidence or proof of their effectiveness or safety. Sonofit is available for purchase online through its official website. You can choose from different packages and discounts depending on your needs and budget. Here are the current prices and offers. 1 bottle of Sonofit, 30-day supply, costs $69.95. 3 bottles of Sonofit, 90-day supply, cost $139.95, save $69.90. 5 bottles of Sonofit, 150-day supply, cost $199.95, save $149.80. You can also get free shipping and a 60-day money-back guarantee when you order Sonofit from its official website. This means you can try Sonofit risk-free for 2 months, and if you are not satisfied with the results, you can return the product and get a full refund. If you have any questions or concerns about Sonofit, you can contact its customer support team by email or phone. You can also visit its website and check out its FAQ section for more information. Here are the contact details. Email, support@sonofit-us.com. Phone, +1 855 219 4892. Website, https://sonofit-us.com. The customer support team is available 24/7 and ready to assist you with any issue you may have. That's it for today's video. I hope you learned something new and useful about Sonofit and how it can help you improve your hearing and get rid of your tinnitus. If you're interested in trying Sonofit for yourself, don't forget to click on the link in the description below to get a special discount and a 60-day money-back guarantee. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.